So another day in Mexico City. I'm currently on the campus of, I think it's the University of Mexico. Might be the National University of Mexico, not sure, I'll put it down below, but it's apparently the biggest in Mexico, I heard. Biggest university in Mexico, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna take a look around. It's about 30 minutes from my Airbnb in the center of the city, so not too bad, just took the metro. Metro is really easy here. But yeah, gonna take a look around and see what it looks like. Alright, so still walking around. It's a really big campus. I'm kind of lost a little bit, so trying to find where the library is and some of the main part of the campus. But pretty neat. Looks like a regular university, I guess. There's hardly anybody here. It's pretty empty, I think, probably because it's Sunday, January 7th, so the new semester probably hasn't started yet. But yeah, this is day 3 for me in Mexico City. First day I kind of explored around, saw one of the parks and kind of the business district. Then yesterday I wasn't feeling very well. My stomach's been kind of all over the place. So I basically just took the day off and hung out. Haven't been eating much, just bananas and Pepto-Bismol, which is delicious, obviously. So good meals so far here in Mexico. I did try a couple traditional tacos, things like that. I tried some goat taco, goat soup, and a couple other things. I forgot the names right away, but food's been good, really spicy though, so it's not the #1 choice in food probably for an upset stomach. But let's see if I can find the library and the main portion of the campus. So I found where all the people are, hanging out in this quad here in the center of campus. It's huge. There's a lot of people playing soccer, riding bikes, doing a lot of different activities. A lot of people have their pets. It's pretty neat. The weather is great. Like I said, it's winter here, but it's probably about 65 or 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so can't beat that. Like I said, Mexico City is super nice so far. A lot of people talk about all the dangers of Mexico, and granted, I've only been here for a few days and I haven't been outside of the city here, but in Mexico City it feels no different from any big city in the US. I mean, I haven't felt uncomfortable or in danger. The public transportation is great. They have a metro bus system. The metro cost 5 pesos, which is equivalent to 25 cents. It's 20 pesos equals $1, so you can go basically anywhere in the city for 25 cents. And then the bus, I've only taken that once. I think it was like 2 or 3 pesos, which is 15, 20 cents. So you can get around for super cheap. And yeah, like I said, I feel super safe here. Obviously, just like any big city, if you're walking around at night, probably want to make sure you're a little bit more careful, not do anything too stupid. But yeah, if you're thinking about coming to Mexico City, it's really nice. But now I'm going to head to the library. I'm going to see if I can get in there. My friend here told me that anybody can go in, so I'm gonna go see if I can check it out, maybe hang out there for a little bit and bum off the Wi-Fi to check a few messages. So let's go see what the library looks like. So I just checked out the library. It's pretty nice. I didn't stay for very long because I couldn't get synced up on the Wi-Fi. I didn't have the password, so wasn't much to do there. But listened to a podcast in Spanish for a little bit, then headed out. So now I'm headed back to the metro station. Gonna catch a metro back to my Airbnb in the central part of the city, and then probably find something to eat. Hopefully some soup or something that's hopefully light on my stomach. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.